Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to practice more questions on fraction. And in this video we are focusing only multiplying and dividing fractions. So we have question A, which is about multiplying fractions, and B, dividing fractions, and C, we have mixed multiplying and dividing together, and D is the same. And we have E, we have parentheses, and we have dividing and multiplying numbers. So okay, so now please stay with me a little bit longer so we can learn how to solve this question together. Alright, so let's start it. A, we have these questions. We have 7.5 multiplied by 8, and third multiplied by 9 divided by 14. So then for the multiplication, what we have to do, we just take the numerators, multiply with the numerators, and the denominator multiply with denominator. So then we get 7 multiply with 8, and then multiply with 9. And then we have 2 multiply with 3 and then multiply with 14. Okay. So now I want to show you a special trick here. As we know, we just can simplify these three numbers together and these three numbers together. Then we will get the answer. But I want to simplify the numerators with the denominator first. So then finally we will get the final answer. So here we have 8 can be written as 2 multiply 4. And then here is 9 can be written as 3 multiply 3. And here we have 14 can be written as 7 multiply 2. So now what we can see here, we have 7 multiplied with 2 and here 7 multiplied with 2. So then we just can simplify that, and then we have here 3 and 3 then equal. So I want to simplify the number of the numerator with the number of the denominator. So let me put 7 and then multiply with 3 and then multiply with 4 and then multiply with 3. And this number here is just still the same here. Okay, so here I have to take 7 multiply with 2 and then multiply with 3 and then multiply with 2. So as we can see here, we just can simplify the numerator here with the denominator here. Okay, so then that will be equal to 4 multiply with 3 divided by 2. Okay, so then 4 multiply with 3 divided by 2, and 4 divided by 2, which is equal to 2. 2 multiplied with 3 equal to 6. So 6 is the final answer. Okay, so let's move to the next question here. We have B. We can solve the first two fractions, or we can solve the whole fractions at the same time. Okay, so now I want to solve the whole fractions at the same time. As we know, when we have divisions, we just keep the first fraction here, 16 divided by 27, and then multiply. That means change the sign from division to multiplication. So then we flip 9 to the numerator and then 5 to the denominator. And then here we also change the sign from division to multiplication and then flip 9 to the numerator and then 12 at the denominator. Then equal, we will take the numerator, multiply with the numerator. So then that will be 16 multiply with 9, multiply with 9. And then 27 multiply with 5 and then multiply with 12. Okay, so here's what we have to do. I want to simplify it before we multiply the whole numbers. So 16 here we can write as 4 multiplied with 4. And here we have 9 multiplied with 9 can be written as 27 multiplied with 3. Okay, so I want to write that 27 at the numerator and 27 at the denominator, so then we can simplify with each other. Okay, and 12 can be written as 3 multiplied with 4. So we have 3 here, we have 3 here, and we have 4 here and 4 here. Okay, so then when I can simplify 4 here with 4 here, then we just simplify then. And then when I have 3 here, simplify with 3 here, then 27 at the top and at the denominator here. So then we still have only 4 divided by 5. That is the final answer. Okay, now let's move to the next question. We have multiplication and division mixed together. So now I will calculate from left to right. Okay, so then we have 15 multiplied with 2, and then 8 multiplied with 5, and then divide 9 divided by 4. So 15 here can be written as 5 multiplied with 3. Okay, so 8 can be written as 4 multiplied with 2. Okay, so then we just simplify 5 at the top with 5 at the bottom here. Then we just get this out and this out, and 2 at the numerator and 2 at the denominator also cancel out. Yeah, okay, so then that means the multiplication of 2 fraction here equal to 3 divided by 4. Yeah, so then we will calculate this again, equal to 3 divided by 4 and then multiply with, so it flip 4 to the numerator and then 9 to the denominator. So then we can just simplify 4 with 4 here, then we get 3 divided by 9, then equal, so simplify 3 with 9, v is equal to 1 divided by 3. Okay, alright, now we have 13 divided by 12 and divide by 1 divided by 6. So let's start from the left again. So then we will have 13 divided by 12 and then multiply So we flip the second fraction, which is 6 divided by 1. Okay, and then multiply with 1 divided by 2. Okay, then equal. So here's which is 13, and then multiply with 1 here, and then 12 multiply with 1 and then multiply with 2. Okay, so then here's then equal, we can write as here 13 multiply with 6, and here 12 can be written as 6 multiply with 2 and then multiply with 2 here. We don't need to multiply with 1 because 1 multiply with any numbers it's still the same. Then equal here 6 and 6 at the denominator can simplify with each other. Then we get 13 divided by 2 multiplied with 2 equal to 4. Okay, so that is the final answer. Alright, now move to the next question. E. So we will calculate the number in this parentheses and the number in this parentheses. So then for this number we will have 11 times 1, that will be equal to 11, and then we have 2 multiplied with 5, that will be equal to 10. Okay, and then divide. So here's what we will have. We have 11 divided by 6. We keep the first fractions still the same, then we change division sign here to a multiplication sign, and then flip 12 to the numerator and then 121 to the denominator. Okay, so let me tell you that 12 can be written as 6 multiplied with 2, and then here's 121 can be written as 11 multiplied with 11. Okay, so I have written in this form because I want you to see that we can simplify the numerator with the denominator. Here 11 and here is 11, here is 6 and here is 6. Okay, so then equal 11 divided by 10, then divide by. So here's what we will have. We have 2 here, and then when we simplify one of these, that will be got one left, which is 11. Okay, so then now we will calculate this again. So equal to 11 and then divide by 10, and then multiply by. So 11 switch to numerator and then 2 come to the denominator. Alright, so then equal 11 multiplied with 11, that will be equal to 121. 10 multiplied with 2 equal 20. So here is the final answer. Okay, so I hope you understand step by step, and thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for my future video if you think it is useful, so then you can see my latest video. And goodbye, see you in the next video.